Welcome to the chapter 3, that is an operator. Already we are familiar with this operator's concept. Let us see what is an operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform either arithmetical or logical manipulations. Manipulation in the sense of calculations, right? By using these operators, we can perform various kinds of calculations. It is possible. Java operators are classified into various categories. Already we have learned these operators in your C and C++. Once again we are learning some of a new operator here in your Java. That is arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators, special operators. Now let us see arithmetic operators. So this question will be asked for 8 to 10 marks or 6 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks. In 2 marks it will be asked for a different variety. So you have to be careful related to this operator. First operator is an arithmetic operator. This arithmetic operator is also called as binary operator. Based on this binary operator, we can perform arithmetical operations. It can perform operations on two variables. Two operands are nothing but two variables. Here we are seeing these arithmetical operator here. It is possible in your integer, float, char, double data type, which is not possible in your C and C++. So here you are seeing plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star is for multiplication, by is for division, percentile is for remainder, as we see here the example. Okay, and next you are seeing here one sample program, class basic mathematics, main method. I am displaying one output statement as an integer arithmetic. I'm calculating now in the form of an integer. Int a is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is a 2. It will store in a. Int b is equal to a into 3. That is 2 into 3. It is a 6. Int c is equal to b by 4. C is 6. 6 by 4 is quotient is 1. D is equal to c minus a. C's value is 1. 1 minus 2, it is a minus 1. Int e is equal to minus d. So minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes as 1 plus 1. So now I am displaying the value of a, b, c, d, e. It will display the value. So here this arithmetical operation can also be passed to be in your float, char and double. I am processing for floating up arithmetical points. 1 plus 1 it will display as a 2.0, and I did the same operation in the above, and it will display according to its value based on points. Okay, and next we are seeing the output of the above program. Now modulus operator, by using this modulus operator, it can gives remainder value. As we know the remainder value in your C, C++, it only operates on your it doesn't operates on operates on only integer variable, but here in Java it will be extended for floating and double points also. If you see this sample program, you can identify class modulus, public static void main string args of main method, int x is equal to 42, double y is equal to 42.25. Now I am displaying the output statement by processing x mod 10 equal to, that is mentioning within double quotation. It will display as it is x mod 10. What is the value of x? 42. 42 percentile 10, the remainder is 2. Now if you observe here, double y is equal to 42.25, system.out.println y mod 10 is equal to y plus y percentile 10. 42.25 by 10, if I did, I am getting a value as 2.25, where in your C it is returning as only 2, but in Java it will returns the accuracy of the calculation. And next our operator is an assignment operator. As we know, what is the purpose of an assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to assign value to a variable. So here we are using plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, by equal to, percentile equal to, right? So let us see here a plus equal to b. What does it means? The value of right hand variable will be added to the left hand, and the result will be stored in left hand. So it is similar to a is equal to a plus b. Now a minus equal to b, what does it mean? A is equal to a minus b. Then what does it mean? The value of b is adding to the a and the result will be stored in a. Okay, likewise we are processing by using these assignment operators, and here we are having one sample example. Class operate equal main method int a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, a plus equal to 5. What does it mean? A is equal to a plus 5. A is equal to 1 plus 5, that is a 6. B into equal to 4, that means b is equal to b into 4. Then what does it mean? B is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. The 8 will be stored in your b. C plus equal to a into b. Now what is the value of a? A is 1 and b is 3, right? 1 into 3, is it the correct? No, it is new value of a is 6, b new value of b is 8. 6 8 is 48. 48 will be added as 3, then c new c value become 51. C percentile equal to 6, then it means c is equal to c percentile 6. So percentage means modulus remainder, right? 6 adds 48, then remainder is 3, so hence c stores 3. Now I am displaying the value of a is 6, system.out.println b value, I am displaying it as a 8, system.out.println c value, it is 3. So likewise your assignment operator will works. And next operator is increment and decrement operator. This increment and decrement operator increment the value by 1 and decrement the value by 1. By using this incrementation by 1 and decrementation by 1 is very necessary sometimes in your application, hence we are using these kinds of an operator. And also it will comes in two flavors. One is a pre-increment and another one is post-increment. One is a pre-decrement and another one is post-decrement. Suppose if you see here plus plus expression, this is pre-increment. Suppose if you see expression plus plus, this is post increment. So then what is the major difference between pre-increment and post increment? In the pre-increment, first it performs the operation, first increment, next operation. In post increment, first operation, next increment. Okay, please make a note. In your pre-increment, first increment, next operation. In post increment, first operation, next increment. Clear? Now let us see here a sample program. Here class IncDec, name of the class is IncDec, and you have to say with IncDec.java, and I am defining the main method. I am declaring the variable and assigning the value. Int a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, int c, int d. Next, what I am doing, please make a note. C is equal to plus plus b, whether it is pre or post. Pre means I'm asking first increment, next operation, right? What is the value of b? 2. 2 plus plus 3. Where it will store? In C. Okay. Next d is equal to a plus plus. So a plus plus in the sense post increment. Now what is the value of a? 1. So in D it will store 1, next it will later increment. Okay. Now what is the value of C? It is 3, right? D as 1. Now C plus plus. What is already C value? It is 3. 3 plus plus, it become a 4. Okay. Now I am displaying the value of A. A value is 1 plus plus. Already we did here. So it becomes as a 2. Right. What is the value of B? Is 2, and here we have incremented by 1, then it becomes a 3. Next, what is the C value? It is 4. Already we know how it has incremented. And what is the D value? D value is a plus plus. If you observe here, it is 1. Hence, post increment, it stored as a 1. Next one is a bitwise operator. So to calculate the operations at bit levels, we have to use bitwise operators. In our Java, these bitwise operators are used for testing the bits or shifting them left or right. So these are very much essential in some of our applications to convert one number into another number, one bit to another bit. It is very much essential in some of the applications. Okay, and now we are seeing various kinds of bitwise operator. Let us see what are the various kinds of bitwise operator. Tilde operator is bitwise unary operator, single ampersand is bitwise AND, single OR is bitwise OR, single cap symbol is bitwise exclusive OR, right shift double greater than symbol is right shift, triple greater than is right shift zero fill, left double left is shift left, double less than, ampersand equal to is bitwise and assignment or assignment, and so on. Here double greater than equal to is a shift right assignment, triple greater than equal to shift right zero fill assignment. So this bitwise operator plays an important role, hence we have to learn this concept. Okay, so here we are placing some of bitwise operator. Single ampersand is bitwise AND, single OR is a single pipe symbol is a bitwise OR, single cap symbol is a bitwise exclusive OR, and tilde operator is treated as a bitwise NOT. So if you want to perform these operations, as we know the truth table of a logical operator, the same here performed. What is the truth table of a logical AND? If the two condition is a true, then only true. In other condition it is false. What is the truth table of a bitwise OR? If the two condition is a false, then only false. In a remaining condition it is true, right? So here we are performing some operation as given as an example. You can see the result by identifying. Already you are familiar. So if you get any confusion, please ask me, I will clarify. So here the logical operator is there: false, 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 true, false, false, true, false, true, false, true, 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 where it is bitwise AND. What about the bitwise OR? False, false, false. In a remaining condition it is true. Okay, what about the exclusive OR? If two condition is true or false, then it is a false. In remaining condition it is a true. What about the bitwise NOT? If the condition is true, it will operate on only single operand, single variable. If the condition is a false, then the result is a true. If the condition is a true, then the result is false. Okay, here we have given some sample example. You have to see this bit logic main method, and we have declared here as a string of array variable. So here it is string of array, where we have stored a set of values. Then what is its size? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 8 16, right? Got it? So it starts at 0 and ends at n-1 because it is an array variable of type string. Now I am processing. I am using some variable int a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6, c is equal to a or b, bitwise operator. So when we perform some operation, it will shift some value to some other type, and processed value will be stored in c. In the same sense, d, e, f, g, it will process and store. Now I am displaying a is equal to plus binary of a. So what is the value of a? It is 3. 0 1 2 3. It is 0 0 1 1. It will display. Okay, likewise whatever the process we have done, it will be displayed. And next operator is bitwise shift operators. These bitwise shift operators are used for shifting the bits either left or right by n bits. Okay, for example, operator left shift n, here it is given. We are clearly identifying how many bits we have to shift from left side to right. And right shift here given operator greater than n, how many bits we have to shift from right side to left. Whenever you are shifting from right side to left, automatically ones becomes as a 0. Whenever you are shifting from left to whatever the bits you are shifting from right to left, then it becomes a 0. Whatever the bits you are shifting from left to right, it become a 0. Whatever the bits you are shifting from right to left, then it will returns same. Okay, yes. Now let us see here sample example. X, here the x value is given. We have to shift, it is left shift, right? What is the left shift here? This one, 0 1 0. Whenever we are removing this 3 0 from left side, we have to add right side. So 1 becomes as a 0. Okay, whatever the 1 is present here, it becomes as a 0. Clear? Yes. Whenever you are shifting right shift, so whatever the value you are shifting from right side 1 0 0, this 3 is removed from the right hand side and adding from in the left hand side, then it will returns the same. Okay, so in the likewise, the value of a new value you are getting whenever you are shifting from either left to right or right to left. So here as a sample program is given, kindly go through this. If you have any doubts, kindly ask, I will explain. Okay, thank you. And next, our operator is bitwise operator, assignment or shorthand assignment operators. In bitwise operators also, it is mixing with some assignments. So if I assigned a equal to a right shift 4, then what does it mean? A is equal to a right shift equal to 4. I can simply shorthand these assignment of bitwise by using a right shift equal to 4. In the same sense, a equal to a or b, a or equal to b. I am shorthanding this bitwise or operation. Okay, so here we are given the sample program. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, a or equal to b. What does it mean? A is equal to a or 4. Okay, so between 1 and 4 we are performing the logical OR operation. We are getting a new value. The value will be stored in your b. B right shift equal to 1, then what does it mean? B is equal to b right shift 1. Okay, so you are right shifting 1 bit from the b value, so hence you are getting one new value. So in the same sense, a exclusive or equal to c, that means a is equal to a exclusive or c. You are performing a exclusive or c operation between a and c, and the new value will be stored in c. Now you are displaying the value of a, b, c. A become a 3, b will become a 1, c become a 6. And next our operator is unsigned right shift operator. This will question or ask for 2 marks. This and next special operators, very important, and this question is also very important for 6. This operator question is also very important for 6, 8, 10 marks. So please go through this carefully. Here unsigned right shift operators, these are very much essential for in pixel based graphics values. Pixel based graphics values, if we want to shift from negative value to positive, that time these kinds of unsigned right shift operator is required. This 3 greater than symbol is treated as an unsigned right shift operator. So here let us take the value of -1 in 32-bit binary, and we have to shift 24 bits. Then what is the new value we are getting? Okay, so let us see. Here we did for 32-bit binary of -1, int a is equal to -1, a is equal to a unsigned right shift of 24. A is equal to unsigned right shift of 24. I have to right shift 24 bits from the given value. Hence, I am treating -1 in the form of 32-bit binary. I have taken 32 ones. Among the 32 ones, how many bit I have to right shift? 24. So from here to here, I have taken the 24 bits. I am right shifting. So right shifting in the sense, I have to remove from right hand side and we have to add it to the left hand side. Whenever you are adding it to the left hand side, whatever the ones present, it will become as a 0. Got it? Yes. And here is a sample example is given. Kindly go through this, and we will explain. If you don't understand, I will definitely explain. Thank you. And next our operator is relational operator. Relational operator is also called as comparison operators. Why it is called as a comparison operator? Because this relational operator performs the comparison between two operands, and also it will returns either true or false. So here the table displayed a set of relational operators, that is equal to not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So a equal to b. Suppose if a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, then it will returns true. Okay, likewise. And next our operator is Boolean logical operator. So it is simply as a logical operator. All these operators you have learned till now in the bitwise operator. So here single ampersand is treated as a logical AND, single operator is also used as an OR operator. Cap symbol is as a logical exclusive OR, double pipe is a short circuit OR, double ampersand is a short circuit AND, negation is a logical unary NOT, ampersand equal to assignment or equal to OR assignment. Okay, logical operators. Here we are having ternary operator. Okay. So as we know the truth table, based on the truth table, this operation will be executed. Now the question will arise as when we have to take a bit or bitwise operator ampersand, or when we have to take this as a logical operator. So if you are using this in conditions, then it is a compulsory. It is a logical operator. In conditions, it is treated as a logical operator. Otherwise, it will be acting as a bitwise operator. Here I am taking as a Boolean variable and assign the value as a true, Boolean variable and assign the value as a false. Boolean variable C, A or B. Here I am performing this logical operation. Based on that logical operation, it will get a value. Okay, D, E, F. I am processing the same and I am displaying the value and I am getting the output. Clear? Yeah, please go through this program. If you have any doubts, please put in my box. Okay, and next one is a short circuit logical operators. This is nothing but in the case of a single ampersand, if you place it as a double ampersand, it is a bit short circuit logical AND operator. In the case of a single pipe symbol, if you place as a double pipe symbol, then it is treated as a short circuit OR operator, and so on. These are very much essential. We are going to be using in our logical operations. And next our operator is a conditional operator. So this conditional operator is also called as a ternary operator, which is available in Java for some executable purpose. Okay, so as we know, the syntax of a conditional operator is expression 1 followed by question mark, expression 2 colon expression 3. If the expression 1 is true, it will execute the expression 2 of a question mark. If the expression 1 is false, it will execute the statement followed by the colon statement. Okay, so as we know, here we have given a simple example: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 15, a greater than b. If the condition is true, it will execute a and a will be stored in your x. If the condition is false, it will execute colon followed by the statement that is b. B will be stored in your x. Let us say 10 greater than 15. Condition is true, false, false, right? So automatically control moves to the b. The value of b is stored in your x. If you display the x value, it will display as a 15. And here we are having some sample program related to this ternary operator. You can go through it. Main method int I comma k in I is equal to 10, k is equal to I less than 0. Now let us see the condition. I less than 0 quotation question mark minus I colon I. See, let us see what is I value. 10. 10 less than 0, condition true or false? False. Immediately it will come to the colon followed by I statement. What is I value? 10, where it will store in k. Okay, if you display the value of k, it will store display as 10. Now I am making the change as I is equal to minus 10. Now I am doing the same operation. Let us see. I less than 0 question mark minus I colon I. What is I value? Minus 10. Minus 10 less than 0, condition true. It will execute question mark followed by the statement. What is the value of I? Minus 10. Minus of minus 10, it will store as a positive value of 10. If you display, it shows as a 10 only. And next our operator is a shorthand assignment operator. This is also very important operator, where we have learned in our C and C++ to assign a same value to different variables. You can use these kinds of shorthand assignment operator. Here where expression is the general form of a syntax of your shorthand assignment operator. You just see here I have declared here int x comma y comma z. I want to assign the same value to x, y, z. Then what I am doing, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 100. In every variable it has a storing, it is a setting as an 100. So this kind of setting will reduces the complexity code in your programs, and also it is very helpful for us. And next our operator is a special operator. This will ask for 2 marks question. This is very important question. Here we are first using the instance of operators. Instance of operators, this is used to identify whether the object belongs to the particular class or not. Okay, what is the purpose of instance of operator? The object belongs to particular class or not. If it is belongs to the particular class, then it will returns the true. If it is not belongs to the particular class, then it will returns false. For example, you are seeing here person instance of student. So student is the name of the class. For this class, if you have created the object name person, then it will returns the true. Got it? Class student. What is the name of the class? Student. For this student, if you have created the object name as a person, then what it will returns? It will returns the true. Then this instance of operator is used to check whether the object belongs to particular class or not. Okay. Yes, if it is belongs to that class, it will returns true. If it doesn't belongs to that class, it will returns false. And next one is a dot operator. By using this dot operator, you can access variables and methods in a class of a object. Okay, so you can access the variables and methods of objects by using this operator. Got it? Yes. For example, I am taking student class. For student class, I have created an object called person. If I want to access the variable of student, then person1 dot age. I am accessing the variable of student class variable person1. Person1 is the object dot variable name. Okay. Suppose if I want to access the method of a student class, then I am using person1 dot salary method. Okay, likewise we are going to be accessing these operators. So that is the end of this chapter. Hope you have understand this concept, and we will see in the next class. Thank you. Welcome students. Let me see the sample examples in your chapter 3. Now I am copying this program and taking here notepad and pasting here. You are identifying some lot of mistakes are there. Okay, anyhow we will copy and paste it. Copy and paste. Later, now let us see class basic mass open curly brace public static void main string args and okay, system dot println integer arithmetic. Here I are declaring and I'm modifying. Okay, you came to know what I'm doing exactly now. Yes, so if you directly copied and paste from my PPT, you have to modify a little bit. For that you just go through it. Yes, all these are the errors, as we know what it is happening, and I'm here okay doing some modification, otherwise it will give an errors. Okay, already we have explained this, but I will show you how to how to run this program. Okay, and I'm copied and paste and modifying. I know what is the error in my program. and I'm modifying this. Okay, yes, here it is there. Okay, now let us save this file with basic math. See, please observe here how it is. Basic math math.java. Okay, I hope that it has stored. I'm taking this command prompt, I'm logging into that, and if it is getting, go to the properties, font 28, layout is enough, I think so. Now Java C basic math.java. Java C is not recognized. Please observe, sometimes you are getting this kind of error. If you are getting this error, means your file is not saved in the directory. Okay, go to the save as and basic math.java. You just try to save it. Okay, come here, basic math.java. Okay, now once again compile Java C. Sorry, we have not logged in our folder jdk 1.4 bin and enter. Now compile now basic math.java. Do not have any error and run. Okay, basic math. So you are getting an output, right? So this is your first program in chapter 3. So you are getting the output, right? You have to check whether the same output you are getting or not. And now we are moving to the next program and related to the modulus, and I'm copying this program and I'm taking a new file and I'm saving. So we have to modify this. Let me see what are the modification I'm doing, and here and here. Please try to understand, when I am copying directly from my PPT, it is giving an error. So you just check it out, and yes, this is not running quite right. So this is an output. Now I know modulus. I'm copying and I'm saving, pasting .java, and I'm going to here and compiling. Sorry, I'm closing once again some attempts. Okay, Java C modulus.java. Yes, it is not recognized as a C. Please observe here, we are not logged in your directory. Okay, cd first slash cd jdk 1.4 / bin java c modulus.java. Yes, some mistake has come. What is that error? Cannot read modulus. Actually we have to see modulus. So modulus.java. Sometimes if it gives, you just save as modulus.java. Okay, here please observe, here we have given one space. We are not supposed to give the space. Okay, yes, save and come here and compile. Now check it, no error. And now running my outrun Java modulus. Yes, you are getting the output. Got it? Yes, that is your second program in your okay, it is your second program, and let us see what is the third program here. And this is your third program. Already we are familiar with this. Okay, anyhow we will see assignment operator, right? Demonstration of several assignment operator. I'm copying
coming, going, taking the new window and pasting. Yes, here it is not having any error, so we need not to be modified. Okay, I'm copying and saving with the class name of the file followed by Java. So it is a mistake, Java. Okay, I have to save it as Java. It should not be a capital, it is a small. And come your command prompt. Now compile Java C op equals dot Java. There is no error. Java op equals. Okay, that is your output. Okay, yes, fine. And next we are going to the next program, that is assignment operator. I think it is a thing. Yes, we did the same program and we will move to the next program. Already we have explained. Let us see this incrementation, how it will be happens. I'm going and copying, taking and pasting. So we have to save with this and go to the file, save and paste it .java. Please confirm before you are going to be storing here or not. Now afterwards you just click the save. Now move to the command prompt and compile it inc def.java. Is there any error? No, right, Java inc def. So you are getting the output. Already we have explained, we are getting the output, right? And next we are going, so this is the program, we have to look it over and I'm copying this program. Now I'm going to the notepad, file, new, and I'm pasting. Yes, I do not have any mistake. Let me check. How to save it is BitLogic. Copying, save bitlogic.java. Okay, and coming here and compiling bitlogic.java. Yes, Java bitlogic. Yes, we are getting the output. Okay, so whether it is the same output we are getting from your slide or not. Yes, we are getting the same output, right? Clear? Yes, that is your program. And next we are going to next program. Here the program is exist. I'm copying and I'm coming here and taking the new file, pasting, and I'm saving it by shift. Copy file, save, while saving class name dot java. Yes, come here, command prompt, heading closed. If you feel it is, so clear, type the CLS, clear screen. Now compile it, Java C byte shift dot Java. No error. Now run it. Byte shift. Yes, we are getting the value 256 and 0. Okay, so likewise you are getting output. And let me check with another program, that is this. Okay, and we'll see whether you are getting the same output or not. And I'm going new file and I'm saving and I'm compiling. How to save? op bits equals. Okay, and now save, paste dot java, come here and compile Java C op bit equals dot java. Yes, Java op bit. Yes, you are getting the output, right? Okay, likewise you are doing these programs and I'm showing you. And here one more program is exist. I'm copying, already we have explained, and I'm opening here. Go to the file, new, and pasting. You have to type, but please observe here you have to type, and already I have typed, so that is why I'm doing that. So while typing, byte u shift. Yes, let me save it. File, save, paste dot java. Okay, come here and sorry, first compile it. Java C byte u shift dot java. Yes, it is having error. Okay, so what is that error? Unclosed string. We have not server closed because you just look it over here, that double quotation is missed. That's all. Now save it, compile it, and yes, I do not have any error, and run it. Yes, it is not getting an error output. Some logical mistakes are there. It requires these things. So then what you have to do, you have to write public static, please observe it, static void main. You have to write, sometimes it is always better to write throws IO exception, and if it is to work, we have to write import statement, import java.io.store, and these packages are very, very important. java.lang.string.store. Yes, now you save it. Now come here, once again compile it, now run it. Byte u shift, wrong name, java.lang.string. We have used java.lang.string. We have used, though it is giving an error. Okay, import java.lang.string. Dot star is not required. Let me check. Byte u shift. Okay, sorry, please observe here, java c byte u, yes, also capital. Okay, shift dot java. This is the program, java byte u shift. Now we are getting the result. Got it? Yes. Likewise, you have to run your program. And next program, we'll see, this is our program, boolean operations, and I'm going here, taking the new file, and I'm pasting. I have to save this file, control V dot java. Okay, and I'm coming here. I have to compile. You have to see what is the name, bool logic. Okay, bool logic dot java. CLS, and I'm running my program. I do not have any error, and I'm running. I'm getting the output. Okay, likewise you can run. Okay, and come here. Is there any program? Yes, here the program is exist related to the ternary operator. I'm going and I'm taking new file, paste it. Okay, you know the result, what it is, right? Okay, let me see. File, ternary, control C, go to the file, new, sorry, file, save, paste dot java. Now come here, java c ternary dot java. Yes, some mistake is there. Class or interface is required. Okay, because please observe here, it's a comment line, I made a mistake. Okay, yes, I'm compiling once again. Now it is not having any error. Once again I'm running, so to run, yes, we are getting the output. Okay, and what is the next program? these are the programs in this chapter. Okay, hope you understand this concept. We will meet in the next class. Control